everybody, welcome to Best Life and Beyond. We're back at Disneyland and today we're trying churros.
Basically we're going to taste every one of the Christmas / holiday special churros that they have here at Disneyland. I think there's about 5 or 6 of them, so we got here early, so hopefully we beat the lines. And I think it's gonna be a good time.
And the first one I think is right near the castle, hence why we're in this position here. You can almost smell it from where we're at. Let your nose lead you the right way, because we're about to get into this.
Let's go.
Okay, as I said, just next to the castle, right over here by that blue umbrella, is where we're grabbing this first churro. And it's a caramel coconut churro with a side of caramel coconut dipping sauce for $1 extra. Don't forget you can also get your Mickey Peppermint bottle topper like Katie has for $6.50. Lights up at night, very cool for the holidays.
All right, y'all, sad news for the coconut caramel churro. They were out of the caramel sauce. We asked them if they were going to get it later. We were like, oh, because maybe we'll just come back and do it after. Yeah. And they were like, nah, I don't think we're even gonna get it. So we're like, okay, we're just gonna have to take it for what it is. She did tell us that, in her opinion, the caramel flavor in the actual churro is not as strong, so that's why they have the sauce.
Right.
So, I guess when you're taking our review, think about it, imagine it with caramel sauce, and hopefully on the day you come, they'll have it. All right, let's give this churro a try.
All right.
Cheers.
Cheers.
It smells like a regular churro.
I taste nothing coconut.
I do a little bit. If you look really carefully, you can see there's just a little fleck of coconut on the churro. It's really not a strong flavor. It's really, really, really mild.
Like you said, it's a subtle aftertaste.
It's very subtle aftertaste.
If you gave this to me and said, here's a churro, I wouldn't think twice. I wouldn't even notice that aftertaste because my mind would be telling me this is just a churro.
Yeah, I think because the cinnamon sugar is a little bit more overpowering.
Right.
So that's kind of like where you go with this.
But that's where the caramel sauce comes into play.
Yeah, I think the caramel sauce would do it. But so if you're not a coconut fan, I think you would actually enjoy this and you'd be fine with it, especially with caramel sauce. It would have been good.
I think maybe if there was like coconut flakes, like actual like.
Well, there's
they're just too small. But if it was, you know,
like
more,
sugared coconut, it would really.
Yeah, like you would see on the top of anything that was like coconut. You see the little shavings of the white. Yeah. I don't know.
No, I see what you mean. I think they had a good idea. Maybe it'll be better executed next year if they want to continue with this one. I don't know if I would order this again. I think I'd rather get a regular churro instead of the caramel coconut.
Yeah.
Or maybe in this case we just say regular with coconut.
Oh look, it's Bert and Mary. Good morning, you guys. Good to see you.
Good to see you.
The next churro is located in Tomorrowland.
Or as I like to call it, Manana Land.
And this is going to be the toffee flavored churro.
Okay.
I love toffee, so I'm excited about this.
Coffee?
I hope there's dipping sauce with it.
You didn't even hear my joke. No. I was like, coffee? Coffee flavored?
Coffee.
Coffee would be good.
I would love a coffee churro, actually. That would be really delightful.
Yeah. Okay, toffee churro, $5.75. Add a side of chocolate or chocolate almond dipping sauce. We're going for the chocolate almond dipping sauce for $1. We have been joined by Adam the Woo for this taste test of the toffee.
It's chocolate?
It's chocolate almond.
With toffee.
Yeah.
They say that like nuts are healthy.
They do say this.
Some protein. This is a good thing.
Pretty good.
Yeah?
Not bad. Is it really sweet though?
It's got a lot more flavor than a normal churro.
Wow.
Okay, let's see. I don't know if it's because of the chocolate, but it tastes like a Snickers.
Oh, okay.
This is like a Snickers. Maybe you just don't get any. Maybe Adam and I will just take this.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Sorry about it. Sorry, none for you, my friend. Dude, this is really good. Like,
I got it.
You got it. Sauce. What are you doing?
I wanted to try it without it first. No, because you didn't know.
I feel like you could put that sauce on a twig, and it would probably be rather enjoyable. Just drink it now.
We have to drink the rest of it. I'm gonna get you a piece how it should be enjoyed. They have, oh, there's little chunks of almond. That's what it is. Here. It's so good with the
As long as
sauce.
there's
Here's
Yeah.
more churro, everyone.
What if you drill the hole through the middle of this and
Oh.
used this as
Insert
a
it.
straw,
Oh.
slurped it up, and then gobbled it down?
How could we get the
And that's
center?
environmentally conscious too, Adam. That's a really
Who needs paper when you got churro?
churro straws, dude. Okay, with the help of a straw, we've hollowed out the center. We're going to attempt something very stupid, but
Or genius.
or genius either way.
Could change the face of snacking
It really could.
forever.
Yeah. You got this, Katie.
Okay.
Come on.
Did it work?
It did a little bit. It started to gurgle. I think we need a straw though.
I think you got
I'm
it.
like inhaling. It's going through the holes here. Look at what. Here's what happened. I started to get like a splash of it. Hold on. This is what I need is a straw. This one has little in it. So I think you have to kind of use the straw.
There you go.
I hear gurgles.
It worked.
Okay.
So now, yeah, because there's so many holes, Illing.
All right, don't try this at home because we failed.
No, it worked if you put a straw though.
But then what's the point? Just use the straw.
That is good sauce, I'm telling you. Drinkable. It's like almost like hot chocolate.
Made our way over to Fantasyland to this churro cart because they have Santa's cookies and milk churro, yeah. It's that sweet milk dipping sauce.
Sweet milk dip. This looks like the French fries rocks they removed from Tomorrowland.
They are actually. These are the French fry
This was
rock
what they look
churros.
like.
Yep.
This
Stack
was
them
it.
up.
In homage.
Yep,
Yeah,
that's them.
here we go. Cheers.
It says it's sweet milk sauce. It kind of just looks like a Cool Whip almost.
Kind of.
Like it tastes like a Cool Whip. It looks like it too. It literally looks like Cool Whip.
Right.
This is actually pretty good though. I like it.
So I always like to try it without the sauce first. Overwhelmingly graham cracker.
You're really tasting graham cracker or
Yeah,
smell?
yeah, it's graham crackers, the overwhelming taste, without the sauce. It's like cake frosting or like
I can't put my finger on
almost like
it.
cinnamon roll frosting. It's good though. I like it. Out of all of them so far,
I think this is the best one. They put little sprinkles in there too. This is really good.
it is.
I actually like this one and the toffee one the best. Alright,
Wins for me.
10 out of 10 would eat it again.
Yeah, yeah. Frontierland, Golden Horseshoe area, and this churro cart is our next destination for this holiday churro, the turtle churro. And the dipping sauce comes with this one, so no dollar extra, $6.25. Okay, Golden Horseshoe is where we've chosen to consume this bad boy.
Yeah,
What do you think?
I think it looks good. It started to melt, but we got a pecan caramel sauce. We could have just used this sauce and taken sans the pecans, and we could have used that and it would have worked for our caramel coconut churro.
A lot of texture in that.
That might be our hack though, is the next time we want to have that and they don't have the sauce. we'll
Right,
just
because
use
this sauce
This is caramel.
comes free with this churro.
So that's pecans?
Yeah, pecans and caramel.
All right,
Okay.
Smells good. Smells really good.
just give him that piece, because he's not going to leave. Look at
Look
him.
at it.
He's frozen in that spot. Until you give it to him, he's not going to move.
Ready? The whole thing. I'm like pushing it.
It's like feeding an animal.
Like
Just kinda-
feeding the goats back at
Yeah.
Do
Do I have something on my lip? Yeah. What do you think, Adam? Is it good?
I grabbed it in the side of my lip.
Aside from the injury, is it
Very crunchy.
okay? A lot of texture.
More crunchy than the previous churro.
Really? Maybe
Very
that's-
crunchy.
All right.
Look at this. It's so crunchy. That's like,
It's like a burnt tip.
yeah, it's very, very hard.
Like you could be like,
Like
you
he
could,
basically took that and shoved it.
Stabbed you in the face.
This little area right here that gets like,
Oh, right, that part that if it cracks, it's really painful. Thanks, Katie. That was nice.
the caramel looks delicious. Look at that. Are you getting that?
Yeah. Caramello. Yeah, Adam, get her back.
this is kind of how you did it from this angle.
Yeah, just wedged it in there. That's always the reaction.
To the caramel. You know what's happening? I'm losing it caramel, the sugar.
Talk to me about flavor.
No, it's really good. It is very crunchy, but the sauce is amazing.
Oh, you know what?
It's a little salty. Yeah.
It's turtle churro.
Isn't there a chocolate that has like a turtley caramel taste to it?
Yeah, like turtles, like it's chocolate and caramel and nuts, right? Is that what it is?
It's really good. It's like a salty caramel though.
Okay, so it's
That's kind of what I'm
meant to
tasting.
be like the chocolate turtle, like Adam said, yeah.
It's a predominant like salty caramel.
But be careful when you're feeding your friends, don't stab them in the face with it. Wow. Unbelievable. Good day to you, sir. We were just enjoying the fine establishment. And,
you enjoyed the horseshoe?
Yes,
then.
yes.
Good, good. Yes, the taxpayers enjoy that. I took a little out of the campaign budget to pay for the horseshoe.
We will.
Vote early, vote often, vote twice. What do we care? We're letting people try new things.
Who's counting?
Who's counting? I certainly not. I'm the only one on the ballot. That's all that matters.
That really is all that matters.
All right, folks, enjoy yourself.
Thank you, Mayor.
Christmas to you. Great to meet you, too.
Merry Christmas.
Sam J. McGillicuddy. Don't forget the name.
Rivers of America, and we've come to this churro cart here. We're basically across from Mansion. It's right there. This churro cart has this sugar plum candy churro, sweet and tart.
The last year it was.
Not to your liking.
It was not. I mean, you remember the face.
Oh, it looks
it's
different.
Definitely different.
Ooh, it looks. I like the color.
Okay, okay. It's the same picture as last year, but perhaps a different. It's almost like a.
Is it more?
powder.
Seems more frosted, or it's just powdery,
This
or?
is really interesting. So we're gonna give it a try. I'm a little bit, you know,
You're hesitant. I can see it.
just because I know the last year I remember eating it.
Do it! Do it! Do it!
Okay.
Oh boy! Oh, there it goes. Same thing. Oh boy!
Oh.
Oh boy!
So it's good?
So you like it? It's good, right, Adam? Yeah, she likes
Just
it.
that, like, it's not as bad as it was last year. It's not got like medicine-y taste, but
But it's not a flavor you want in a churro, right? Is that?
no, but maybe that's also a preference thing. I don't like soury. They taste like, you know, the packets of, or remember those sticks, the pixie sticks?
Yeah.
Fun dip?
Fun dip.
Oh,
That's what
fun
it's
dip.
like. And I just don't like that on a triple. Maybe you'll like it though. Maybe some
Very
people
colorful.
Like,
Taste test.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Doesn't mix well.
No.
Right? Like it's
Not a good idea then.
right?
No.
Doesn't it taste like fun dip?
It has like a fun dip pixie stick flavor
Yeah.
to it.
Yeah. No.
The idea would be good if it was maybe just like sweet.
Right.
Like sweet with a hint of a berry flavor.
Sure. Or maybe the churro dough has to be changed for that because
Yeah.
there's a flavor in that churro dough that does not mix with that.
Yeah. It's just
I like that you have on your hand, you just have like all this stuff right there.
Yeah.
Wedged on you. You're gonna save a little bit of that for later?
Yeah.
Nice.
take a little.
Danny's not home, Mrs. Torrance.
Well, that wraps up the
Oh,
great
stealing my line. Wow. Ruthless out
wraps
here.
up the churro.
It's ruthless on the trail here back to the Mickey and Friends. But that wraps it up, you guys, for our churro crawl.
It was really good. I just don't think I ever want the sugar plum one again. I feel like I've decided that.
Okay.
But I was really happy with them, and I think I would definitely eat a few of those again. And I think you guys should come and try them out.
Agreed. Tell us what you think, and if you like this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you want to support Best Life and Beyond, you can become one of our Patreon members. I'll put all the information in the description box right there below.
She will. And we'll see you next time on Best Life and Beyond. Bye-bye, everybody.